Hi there, Nicole Minder, licensed esthetician, owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and today I have one last jelly mask, SD Max, that I want to share that we are retailing. So this is the Goji Berry Mask. It's great for all skin types, especially if you run on the sensitive side. It has organic goji berry, pomegranate, and it also has vitamin C in it as well. So between those three ingredients, you are going to help fight sun damage with the vitamin C because it's packed with antioxidants. You're going to help fight anti-aging, you're going to restore moisture, and you're going to get that nice beautiful glow. All the SD Max masks have electrolytes. So electrolytes are going to help balance your skin and infuse your skin with moisture. Now if it were me, I would do the Epicurean pumpkin mask first. So step one is going to be cleanse. You're going to do a double cleanse. After you're done with the double cleanse, you're going to apply the pumpkin peel from Epicurean for 5 to 10 minutes depending on your skin sensitivity. Remove that, and then you're going to apply the goji berry mask. Keep it on for at least 10 minutes, and then you just peel it right off and add any of your anti-aging serums followed by a peptide moisturizer, and you're going to have great results. All right, take care.